So welcome my dear student. We are going to solve the problems in the exercise 3.9. Simply we are going to apply the sine formulae, cosine formulae, Napier's, Heron's, etc. That means what are all the formulas we studied under the topic properties of triangle. Okay. Most probably we are going to use sine formula and cosine formula. So sine formula is a by sine A equal to b by sine b equal to c by sine c equal to 2r. Okay. And cosine formula cos A equal to A means cyclic order b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. So most probably we are going to use these two formula. Okay. So question number 1 in the exercise 3.9, in a triangle ABC, if sin A by sin C equal to sin A minus B by sin B minus C, then prove that A square, B square, C square are in AP, arithmetic progression. So that is our aim. So to prove the 3 are AP means we need to prove B square equal to A square plus C square by 2. It is enough to prove 2B square equal to A square plus C square. Okay. Already we know the concept. If A comma B comma C are in AP, then B equal to A plus C by 2 or 2B equal to A plus C. So here in the place of ABC we have A square, B square, C square. So that is our aim. So either we can use cosine formula or sine formula. Better we can use it sine. So cross multiply sin A into sin B minus C equal to sin C into sin A minus B. So before applying the sine formula, we are going to use the previous concept. Okay. So if ABC is a triangle, then angle A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Okay. So angle A equal to 180 minus of B plus C. So similarly angle C equal to 180 minus of A plus B. So here we can put sin 180 minus of B plus C sin B minus C equal to sin 180 minus of A plus B, okay, into sin A minus B. Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. It becomes sin B plus C into sin B minus C. So again sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So my dear student, what is sin A, sin B? We know the identity. Sin A, sin B equal to, okay, 1 by 2 into sin A, sin B equal to 1 by 2 into cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Are you clear? Sin A, sin B equal to 1 by 2 into cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So put A equal to B plus C, B equal to B minus C for the left hand side. So 1 by 2 into cos. So subtraction of the 2, I am multiplying by the negative. So B plus C minus B plus C minus cos sum of the 2. B plus C plus B minus C. Okay. So equal to, so remember the formula. Okay. So equal to the same 1 by 2 cos sum difference of the 2. That means multiply by negative minus A plus B minus cos sum of the 2. A plus B plus A minus B. Okay. So this 1 by 2 cancel. So look at here. What we are getting, B minus B cancel, cos 2C, C plus C, and minus C plus C cancel, minus cos 2B, okay, equal to, so here A minus A cancel, cos 2B minus cos B minus B cancel, cos 2A. So rearranging the terms, so move the negative to the right hand side and this one to the left hand side. So what we are getting, cos 2A plus cos 2C equal to 2 cos 2B. Okay. cos 2b plus cos 2b becomes 2 times cos 2b. Okay. So now already told you we are going to use the sine formula. Okay. So instead of cos 2a, what we can put? So it is 1 minus 2 sine square a. Cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a. Similarly, 1 minus 2 sine square c equal to 2 times 1 minus 2 sine square b. The same formula. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. We are applying that formula. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus 2 sine square a minus 2 sine square c equal to 2 minus 4 sine square b. This 2 cancel. Okay, next divide both the sides by negative. Okay, minus 2 dividing by minus 2. What we are getting? Sine square a plus sine square c equal to 2 sine square b. Are you clear? Divide by both the sides by minus 2. We are getting sine square a plus sine square c equal to 2 sine square b. I am writing the RHS first. So we know that the sine formula is a by sine a equal to b by sine b equal to c by sine c equal to 2r. Therefore, sine b is b by 2r. So b by 2r the whole square. So b square by 4r, 4r square, okay, equal to sine square a. That means sine a is a by 2r the whole square. So a square by 4r square. Similarly, c square by 4r square. So we same denominator we can take in common and cancel. So 2b square equal to a square plus c square we are getting. Okay. Therefore, we can write the conclusion. Therefore, a square comma b square comma c square are in AP, arithmetic progression. Question number 2 in the exercise 3.9. The question is, the angles of the triangle ABC are in arithmetic progression, and if B is to C equal to root 3 is to root 2, the sides B and C are in the ratio root 3 is to root 2. Okay, find angle A. That is the question. Listen, my dear student. Given that if you take always taking the angles as capital ABC are in AP. So AP means, so what we get? B equal to A plus C by 2 or 2B equal to A plus C. Okay. So add B on both sides. So we are getting 3B equal to A plus B plus C. Why we are adding means we know that sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So which is equal to 180 degree. So 3B equal to 180 degree. B equal to 180 by 3, 60 degree. So first we found the angle B. Angle B is 60 degree. Again, what is given? B is to C equal to root 3 is to root 2. That means B by C equal to root 3 by root 2. So use the sine formula. We know that A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C equal to 2R. So what? Equate 1 by 1. So B by sine B equal to 2R. So what is B? 2R sine B. Similarly, equate the third one. C equal to 2R sine C equal to root 3 by root 2. 2R cancel. Already we know that angle B is 60 degree. So sine 60 by sine C equal to root 3 by root 2. Okay. So what is sine 60? Root 3 by 2 by sine C equal to root 3 by root 2. Okay. Root 3 cancel. If we cancel, we are getting root 2. So we are sine C equal to 1 by root 2. We are getting sine C equal to 1 by root 2, which implies C equal to 45 degree. So they are asking A. So A equal to 180 minus B plus C. So 180 minus 60 plus 45. So 180 minus 105. So 75 degree. So that is the required answer. Angle A equal to 75 degree. Question number 3 in the exercise 3.9. The question is, in a triangle ABC, if cos C equal to sin A by 2 sin B, then show that the triangle is isosceles. Isosceles na two sides are equal. Okay. So our aim is to prove any two sides of the triangle are equal. Okay. So first take the given one. Given cos C equal to sin A by 2 sin B. Just cross multiply. 2 sin B cos C equal to sin A. So we are going to apply both the things, sine formula and cosine formula. So sine formula already know that A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C equal to 2R. Okay. And here cos C means cyclic order. So A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. So we are going to apply both the formula to prove this question. So B means equate the second. So B equal to sin B equal to B by 2R. So 2 into B by 2R sin B value. Okay. And cos C value A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Okay. Equal to, again what is sin A? Equate the first one. So A by 2R. So sin A is A by 2R. Okay. Now listen my dear student. These 2R cancel, and these 2 cancel, B and B cancel. So remaining A square plus B square minus C square by 2 equal, A equal to A. So A square plus B square minus C square equal to A square. B square minus C square equal to A square minus A square is 0. So B square equal to C square, which implies B equal to C. So the two sides B and C are equal. Therefore the given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, that is our aim. Question number 4 in the exercise 3.9. In a triangle ABC, prove that sin B by sin C equal to C minus A cos B divided by B minus A cos C. So either you can take LHS and prove RHS, or take RHS and prove it is LHS. Here better we can take the LHS and prove it is equal to RHS. So take the RHS and prove it is equal to LHS. So C minus A cos B by B minus A cos C, that is the RHS. So my dear student, so we can use, okay, the cosine formula first. So C minus A, what is cos B? Remember in the cyclic order, C square plus A square minus B square by 2CA. Are you clear? B means next to start with C. C square A square minus B square by 2CA by B minus A. Again C means start with A. A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Okay. Look at here. So if we want, we can cancel A cancel. Here also A cancel. So take the LCM. 2C square minus, multiply by the negative, minus C square minus A square plus B square by 2C whole divided by, again take 2B square, multiply the negative, minus A square minus B square plus C square by 2B. Okay. If you want, you can cancel this 2 and 2. Okay. Otherwise leave it. Okay. So better we can keep this 2. No need to cancel because we are going to use this. Okay. So now 2C square minus C square is C square plus B square minus A square by 2C. Okay. By B square plus C square minus A square by 2b. Okay. So listen my dear student, already we know that formula, it is in the cyclic order. What is cos A? Cos A means b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Okay. So 2bc. Similarly, so here look at here, we need b, okay, and here we need c. So here in the numerator multiply and divide by b, okay, here multiply and divide by c. So it becomes b into c square plus b square minus a square by 2bc, okay, by c into b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Okay. So now b, it is cos a by c cos a. Both are cos a. Okay. So now cos a cancel. So according to the sine formula, what is b? So b is 2r sin b and c is 2r sin c. So 2r cancel. So sin b by sin c, that is the LHS. Number 5 in the exercise 3.9, the question is, in a triangle ABC, prove that a into cos a plus b into cos b plus c into cos c equal to 2a into sin b into sin c. So obviously take the LHS, okay, and we are going to prove it is equal to RHS. So take the LHS. So first we are going to use, okay, sine formula. So already once again recall it, a by sin a equal to b by sin b equal to c by sin c equal to 2r. Okay. So what is a? 2r sin a. So 2r sin a cos a plus similarly b equal to 2r sin b cos b plus 2r sin c cos c. So first step we are using sine formula. So r is common, take it outside, remaining 2 sin a cos a sin 2a. Similarly 2 sin b cos b sin 2b. 2 sin, here you can keep it as no need to change. The reason is that we are going to take sines in common, so that's why don't change it as sin 2c. Okay. So r into, so it is of the form sin c plus sin d, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus. So look at here, combine first two terms. It is of the form sin c plus sin d, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2. 2a plus 2b by 2 is a plus b. Okay. Into cos c minus d by 2. 2a minus 2b by 2 is a minus b. Okay. 2 sin c cos c. Okay. So now look at here. Given that it is a triangle, so angle a plus b plus c equal to 180. So instead of a plus b, we can put, okay, 2 into 180 minus c. So sin 180 minus c cos a minus b 2 sin c cos c. Okay. So r into 2 sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. So cos a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. So we can take 2 sin c outside. So 2r sin c into remaining cos a minus b plus cos c. Okay. So again put, no change in the first term. So cos c can be written as 180 minus of cos 180 minus of a plus b. So triangle. So a plus b plus c equal to 180. C equal to 180 minus a plus b. So what is cos 180 minus theta? Second quadrant. Cos is negative. Okay. So 2r sin c equal to cos a minus b minus, because second quadrant cos negative, okay, 180 minus cos A plus B, okay, so 2R sin C, okay, so what is that? What is the value? Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is 2 sin A sin B. We can get it directly. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is 2 sin A sin B. So what we have to prove? This is equal to 2A sin B sin C. That is our aim, to prove 2A sin B sin C. Okay. So keep this value 2 sin B sin C, keep that value, okay, so 2 sin B sin C, keep that value. So remaining, what is the remaining value? 2R sin A. So according to the sin formula, 2R sin A is nothing but A, so put it A, so which is equal to 2 into, already what is that? This value is small a. So 2A sin B sin C, that is the RHS.